Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize affiliate WP integration in WordPress, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type affiliate WP and press enter. Locate the affiliate WP plugin from the search results. Click on Install Now to add the plugin to your WordPress site. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate. After activation, you will see Affiliate WP appear in the admin menu. Now, hover over Affiliate WP and select Settings. Under the General tab, you will find the License section. To authorize your integration, you need your license key. Log into your Affiliate WP account on their official website. Once logged in, go to the Downloads page. Copy your license key from the list of purchased products. Return to your WordPress dashboard and paste the license key into the license field. Click on the Submit button to validate the key. After successful validation, you will receive a confirmation message. Next, navigate to the Integrations tab. Here, you can configure additional settings for various integrations. Select any other plugins or services you wish to integrate with Affiliate WP. Follow the prompts to complete the setup for each integration. Once you have completed all configurations, ensure to click the Save Changes button. Now, your Affiliate WP integration is successfully authorized in WordPress. You can explore further settings and features to optimize your affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.